welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be looking at finding the percentage of a number. So we want to know what is 30% of 50, right? So percentage is normally a fraction expressed over 100, right, up with the denominators of 100, right? And it also can help us to find given amounts, like what is it going to do in this question. So the question states, what is 30% of 50, right? So we're trying to find 30% of 50. So if we want to know what exactly this means, right, find the given amount. This means to find the given amount. So if we're supposed to use a realistic example and you have 50 oranges, right, and you want to give your friend 30% of it, what exactly how much oranges would they get exactly, right? So that's what I mean by find the amount. So 30% would be the percent, right, and 50 would be the total, right, the total amount of oranges you'd want to share. So now, how to find 30% of 50? You're going to put the percent, which is 30, over 100, right? So it will be 30 over 100, right? Because 30% must be expressed as 30 over 100, right? And then you're going to multiply it by the total, which is 50. And here we could reduce before multiplying from numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So let me just put the 50 over 1. So now we can simplify by using 50 to simplify both itself and 100. So 50 goes into itself one time, 50 goes into 100 two times. So now we can multiply across. 30 times 1 is 30, and 2 times 1 is 2. And this can be simplified some more. So 2 goes into itself 1, 2 goes into 15 times. So this means that 30% of 50 is just 15. So if you had 50 oranges and you wanted to give your friend 30% of it, then this means that they'd get 15 oranges. Now let's look at the next question. This asks, what is 20% of 80, right? So this means that to find 20% of 80, we're going to put the 20, right, over 100. We're going to put the percentage over 100, right, because 20% is same as 20 over 100, right? And then we're going to multiply it by the total, which is 80. And here, what I'm going to do is to use, before multiplying from numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, I'm going to use 20 to simplify both itself and 100, right? So 20 goes into itself one time, 20 goes into 100 5 times, right? So here we can multiply across. 1 times 80 is 80. 5 times 1 is 5. So 80 over 5 can be simplified by using 5. So 5 goes into itself one time, 5 goes into 80 16 times. So this means that 20% of 80 is just 16. All right, so that's how you find a percentage of a number, right? So that's it for today. I hope you learned something new. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.